When I tell y'all this was the #1 recommended place, so I got the greens. Okay, everything is so hot. I know it burned, but I didn't get no hot sauce, so let's see. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, it's about time. I was wondering what the food was in Nashville. And then the potato salad, it says Southern potato salad. So I had to get this because you talking about Southern. Yeah, I'm Southern here. Bro, it's about time. What the hell? Little cornbread. Now usually in Texas, if it's in like this is hot water cornbread. If it's in like a little thing like this, but okay. I got the spicy, I think it's like the spicy ranch chicken sandwich. I'm excited now because y'all talk about this so much here. Let's see what they hitting for. Yeah. Okay. Thank y'all so much because I was hungry down here. Everything else wasn't hitting it out.